Is your project even worth the money? That's a question you need to be able to answer. Hi everybody, I'm Jesse Fuel and I'm super excited to be coming to speak to you at the Project Management Institute's Central Indiana Chapter. We're going to be talking about the project value equation, which is whether the project is worth it. And it's super agitating and difficult because is that really even supposed to be my job? I mean, what about the sponsors and the executives? Don't they know what the mission metrics are for a nonprofit charity? Don't they know what the value proposition, the ROI is for the business case of the project I'm running? Why do I have to be able to answer the question? And in particular, why don't they just give me the extra budget, the resources, the personnel I need to get this thing done? I need some help. We're going to talk about that. And we're going to be doing it June 19th in the evening, either virtually from your desk or in person at the Purdue School of Engineering in Indianapolis. Either way, I hope to see you there, where we're going to talk about that project value equation, how to get the budget for any project in any industry.